Everyone. Today I am going to do a request. I'm in bed and I have a little bit of fever, but my sneezes are still up. And also, a big reason why I'm sneezing is because there is a warm machine, a blowing machine, and it's long not being used. So there is very much dust in it, and it's in this room. So that's why I'm a little bit sneezy too. But I've got a handkerchief right here, and I'm going to try sneezing with it, sneezing in it, and that's a request. I'm gonna show it here. So let's just get started. I'm gonna try find a sneezing fit, and then I'll record it, and then it will be nice. Okay, guys, I think I found a sneezing fit. I'm gonna sneeze, but. I don't know how to sneeze like this in a handkerchief, but I'm under my blanket, by the way. But I'm gonna wait till I got very much sneezes, because right now I don't really have that big of a sneezing fit. I got a sneezing fit, you guys. I sneeze very soft, but sometimes it's get very big, and then it's very irritating because it sounds very weird sometimes. I've got to blow my nose for a second. What the hell is that? I don't have much. It's dry right now because of that dust. My nose is dry, but I'm gonna try inducing to get some snotty sneezes, So you guys, I'm gonna try inducing. I'm gonna just do it like this. I'm just gonna try inducing to get a little snotty sneezes. It works a little bit, guys. Gotta get my handkerchief again. Oh wait. Okay, guys. Now my fever is really acting up. My head hurts a little bit, but that was a little weird. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna go for now, guys. But I'm gonna blow my nose still. I'm still gonna blow my nose. Okay, guys. Bye bye, everyone. This is my request. Bye.